So I have taken multiple option trade using this dashboard, and so far every trade has been profitable. But I don't want you to simply take my words. At the end of this video, I will show you my PNL and actual trade result as a proof. So what if you could analyze a stock for the option trading without jumping between the multiple websites, charts and indicators? So this is what the idea behind this dashboard means. Instead of like jumping around different websites like TradingView, going into a money control, other stock screener, other type of website, I want everything in at a one point, at a one spring, and that make it this dashboard very fantastic and very useful for me. So in the next 5 minutes, I will show you how it works and what information it provides. So before I start, an important disclaimer: this video and this dashboard are strictly for the educational and informational purpose. This is not a financial advice. So I'm not a SEBI registered agent. So this is not any buy or sell stock option advice. So earlier I was using like multiple websites and multiple tools to analyze stock option trades, or also like any equity or a stock I want to buy. So I was using multiple options like stock screener, TradingView for the chart analysis, and like if you want to analyze a stock, it will take a lot of your time, as well as it's very frustrating sometimes. So what I have done, like I was using a multiple. So I have a rules that I used to follow for the stock trading and investing. So I combine all my rules which I used to for the trading, which I use for the trading and stock investing, and develop this dashboard using the Nest.js. So this is the basically command section. Here you can see basically Nifty, what's the price, sector average, how many are in buy or sells. It has like a whole lot of things that I will show you in the coming video. So in this video, I will try to take you through the option trading tab and try to see how I used to trade using this dashboard. So this is the option tab. Here you can see there are multiple signals are there. So this is like underlying stock. If you want to like analyze any stock like the Kotak Mahindra or Bharti Airtel, anything that you can type here and you will get the analysis of the stock at the bottom of this page. So basically here you can see if you want to buy a put or buy a call, or you want to sell a put or call, then you can always select from here. Strategy mode is here, in whether you want to be directional, buying, selling or neutral. And this is the capital, like how much capital you want to invest. And then this is a risk level, like whether it's a low, high, medium. So let me just click on a medium. So here you can see this is the option of scan. So what it does is basically it take all the NSE stocks which are very liquid, which has a volatility, which has a buyers and sellers, and it analyzes those stock based upon the multiple factors, and then it come up with the option score, and this option score is out of 100. So if it is near to the 100, then you are more confident to take the stock as a trade. So if I just click here and rescan here, let me see if any changes comes here. So yeah, you can see just I scanned here and you can see the Bharti Airtel is at the top, and there are this is a tabular form, and this has a lot of information that you want to use it for your trade. But I generally don't see all the information because this is a cumulative score that I have given here. So I always go with the option score instead of going all the columns and analyzing those columns. So basically you can see the Bharti Airtel here. The focus is clean. Focus is clean is basically generally what happened, like when we take a stock, we generally don't like follow the news. We don't see when the results are coming. So that is very, very tedious work, like to always like find out whether this stock is in the news. So this focus is basically column is basically key to the idea that this particular stock is in the news, or some of the things are not in your favor. So here you can see Bajaj Finance is in the news. Maybe there must be some news. So whether you want to touch those stock or not, it's based upon you. It totally depend upon you. So I currently don't focus on the stock which are in the news. So I avoid those stocks basically. So here, so it also tell you that whether the particular stock result is like coming in the future or not. So let's suppose from any of the stock results are coming soon. So in that case here, instead of clean, it will show you that in the upcoming 3 days the result will be announced. So this is a very fantastic basically analysis, and this is a very fantastic thing because you will get all the things at the one point. And this is a volume score. This is the IV rank, basically implies volatility. If you trade option, the implies volatility. And this is the IV with the historical volatility. So basically, it will show the whether it has a good volatility or not, good basically premium or not. And this is a very important column regime, and this is a basically this will give you the sense of idea that whether the stock is very quiet, normal, or very quiet. This is basically give you the confidence that stock is basically is confined in a particular range, and you can sell the option premium for the trade. And this is a confidence score, and this is a jet. Jet is basically give you that whether the price is near to the mean of the price or not. So if you see this is 0, and zero means basically the price is at the mean value, and if it is like 0.3 or 0.2, then you can always take those stock for option trade. And here this is another very interesting thing, that why you want to buy this, and the reason will be given here. And this is very fantastic, and I used to I always consider top 10 stock. I don't go below the top 10 because the scores become lesser and then the risk become higher. Find out if you want to try some option strategies like straddle, so you can always like choose the sideways trends, and then if you are bullish or sell P, you can always like take bullish. If you want to sell C, you can always like take bearish stocks. So I don't take basically up to 17. I always capped my stock till rank 10. And like if you want to go further and analyze more stock, if you want to go further, let's suppose Kotak Bank. If I just click here, or either you can click here or you can always type here and you click here analyze. And then if you go to the bottom, this is analyzing the market data. And here you can see the price is 391. And source is to basically I'm taking the Yahoo Finance as well as NSE data to get the live data. And this is 194. Basically 194 data points have been taken to analyze this stock. And then you can always like there's always the option like more detail, neutral or range bound, adjustment, basically side trend, very quiet, confidence is 32, IV rank is 32%, and like what is the 1 week, maximum 1 week fluctuation, 2 week fluctuation, 3 week fluctuations, and here you can see the 1 standard deviation, 2 standard deviation, 3 standard deviation. Based upon that, you can always like sell the out of money options. And this is a like reversible probability low, and I can go on with the details of this, but you don't have to go into that much detail if you are new to this basically option trading. And this is also like multiple time frame normal distribution curve analysis. So you can see the 1 week, 2 week, 3 week. So based upon the expiry date, if you need to expire, you can always choose the 68th percentile probability of trading success, 95 percentile trading of success, and similarly for the 2 week, 3 week, and 1 month. And here the recommendation also coming like wait. You have to wait. It's not showing that you should buy or sell the stock, sell the option. But I usually take that trade based upon the multiple other factors, because this dashboard has a very strict rules, and that sometimes doesn't allow the stock to basically give the good recommendation. And this is where you have to use your mind and your strategy to come up with the better idea. And here it's also giving you the which option price you should consider for selling. So here you can see the 410, 420, 430. You can take it for basically for option selling. And what is IV? What was the decay from last 7 days? And delta and like all these things. So this is very, very rigorous rule-based dashboard that I have developed for the option traders. So basically I have taken multiple options. So I will show you what are options I have taken. So it has been 20 days that I have developed this dashboard, and last 20 days I have took like 5 to 6 trades. And I will show you now what are the trades I have taken and how much profit I have gained using one lot of each stock. So let me go to the Kite Zero, the portal, and let me show you what are the trades that I have taken. So here you can see I have taken this trade. I think yesterday I have taken this trade, the Kotak Bank, and one quantity. The average price was like 1.3 and 1.35, and the current profit is like 800 rupees. So let's now go to the console and see what are the profit that I have gained till now. So if I come here and report, and here I can go to profit and loss. And if I just replace this with the future and option, and from last note taking the spread now. So let me just go to, maybe I can select 1st July, and this is 13th. Okay, fine. Yeah. So here you can see I have taken the first trade using this dashboard on 24th of July, and here I booked the profit around like 2000 rupees, and then I booked a loss. It's not a loss basically. If you like combine the both legs, it's like 1200 and then 600 is around 500 profit, because I've taken the spreader. This is the third trade in which I gained like around 1800 rupees, and then the fourth trade is also profitable, like 2000 rupees, and then this is the 35 rupees that I've like, and this is 75 rupees. So basically you can see like I have taken 1 2 3 4 5 6 trade, and that all the trade were profitable. Currently it has like total of profit of 6,500. And if I just go below this, so you can see all my trades here. So this is all my trades till now, and because my first trade was in BPCL, and I booked basically 1876 from this, again 2000 from this, and again JSW Steel. There was some issue with the JSW Steel. There was some problem with the JW, so I just quit those stocks, so I quit those trades. And then next trade is the NTPC. You can see NTPC I have booked around 2000 rupees. I think this is not a updated data. You can see the updated data is here. It's 800 rupees. I can like refresh it for you if you want to like check. Yeah, it's 800 rupees, and you can also refresh it to get to confirm. So again I have to like change this. So then again I have to go back and select one. Yeah. So you can see I have not taken trade in this account from last 8 months, but from last July in August I am taking these trades, and this is a profitable trade. I was like being successful. My target is to like check this dashboard for the at least for the 2 to 3 months, so that it will become clear that whether this dashboard is working on it. So also like if you have any problem, anything you find mysterious here, and if you think that you can't believe, so I don't want to pressurize you to believe me, because this is not for the commercial purpose. This is just for the for the for my own analysis and for my own trade, so which I have taken here, and this is a proof. And if you want to have like any conversation, if you have any question, do comment, and I will try to solve those questions answer in the comment section. Thank you.